Think your tricep dips are working your arms? Here's the truth. Most people aren't even targeting their triceps properly. Instead, their shoulders are quietly taking all the strain, and the scary part, you might not feel pain right away, but your shoulders are slowly getting weaker and tighter, setting you up for future injuries. So before you do another rep, ask yourself, are your dips building muscle or breaking your joints? By the end of this video, your dips will feel completely different and your triceps will be screaming the right way. Tricep dips look simple, right? Hands on a bench, legs out, bend your arms, push back up, easy. But if your shoulders are hurting more than your triceps, something is off. And here's the thing. Even small mistakes compound over time. Do 20 bad reps a day for a month, and you'll feel it in your shoulders and elbows. Today we're going to fix that. I'll take you step by step, from beginner setup through common mistakes, to advanced tweaks that make your dips actually build triceps without killing your shoulders. We'll also layer in mini coaching tips, mental cues, and little secrets most trainers forget to tell you. By the end, you'll be able to do perfect, controlled dips and feel your triceps burn exactly where they should. Let's start by exposing the mistakes almost everyone makes. Mistake 101, shoulders rolling forward. This is huge. When you dip down and your shoulders roll forward toward your ears, your triceps stop working. Your shoulders do all the lifting. Think of your shoulder like a hinge on a door. If the hinge isn't aligned, every time you move it grinds and wears out. That's exactly what happens in sloppy dips. Light bulb moment. If your shoulders hurt more than your triceps, your form is off. Stop, reset. Mistake number 2, going too deep. Dropping all the way down feels like you're getting a better stretch. But that stretch puts your shoulder joint at risk. Rule of thumb, stop when your elbows reach roughly 90 degrees. Your triceps get the most tension here anyway. Mistake number 3, elbows flaring out. When your elbows shoot out sideways, your triceps lose leverage. You're basically pressing with shoulders, not arms. Mini story. I've seen people do 30 reps with elbows wide, shoulders screaming and triceps hardly firing. The next week, shoulder pain sets in. Mistake number 4, weak core and loose legs. A loose body, unstable dips. Your shoulders and arms have to compensate for the wobble. Analogy. Your core is the foundation of a skyscraper. If the foundation shakes, the whole structure wobbles. Now let's set up properly. This part is everything. Step 1, hand placement. Hands shoulder width apart. Fingers pointing forward. Palms flat on the bench. Think, screw my hands into the bench. That locks your shoulders in a safe position. Step 2, shoulder position. Pull shoulders down and back. Chest proud. Neck tall. This is critical. One thing to remember from this video, shoulders locked before you move. Step 3, body position. Hips close to the bench. Legs straight or bent for beginners. Core tight like someone's about to punch you. Your body should feel like a solid plank, not floppy pieces. Here's where most people fail. Lower slowly. Stop at 90 degrees. Elbows track backward, not outward. Ask yourself, do I feel this in my triceps or my shoulders? If it's shoulders, stop higher. Don't ego lift. Analogy. Think of your elbows brushing invisible walls beside your ribs. They shouldn't drift outward. Now the part that actually builds your triceps, push through your palms. Keep shoulders down and back. Straighten elbows fully, but don't hyperextend. Mental cue, push the bench away from you, not your body up. Another light bulb. Muscles respond to intent, not just motion. If you consciously engage your triceps, they'll fire exactly where they should. Quick comparison. Wrong form feels like shoulder pain, neck tension, wobbly, uncontrolled reps. Right form feels like burning triceps, stable shoulders, smooth, controlled reps. Remember, 10 perfect reps beat 20 sloppy ones every time. Once form is clean, here's how to level up. 1. Tempo control. Lower for 3 seconds, pause, push up. Time under tension, thus more gains. 2. Bench height awareness. Higher bench, easier. Lower bench or harder. Adjust gradually. Mind-muscle connection. Think. Elbows straightened by triceps, not shoulders. Even small focus makes a huge difference. Ready for next level? Add weight plates on your lap or elevate your feet for more intensity. Only if shoulders stay safe. Pause at the bottom, just above 90 degrees. Build strength in the weakest point. Volume matters. 3 to 4 sets, 8 to 12 perfect reps. Focus on quality, not quantity. Ask yourself, do my triceps feel the burn more than shoulders? Are shoulders down and back? Am I controlling my descent? If yes, you're doing it right. If not, now you know what to fix. Recap. Hands shoulder width. Shoulders down and back. I cord tight. Elbows tucked. Stop at 90 degree. Push with intent. Now here's your challenge. Do 10 perfect tricep dips right now. Slow, controlled, flawless. Feel the difference. Remember, strength isn't about reps, it's about perfect reps. Stay consistent, train smart, and your triceps will thank you.